Today, I'm going to teach y'all some skills for softball for girls. It's under 8-year-olds. Okay, I'm going to teach y'all a concept. Oh, how do I get there? Here's the basics. What you need to know is how to catch a pop fly. Throw your ball up in the air and try to catch it. What? I'm only 7, you know. My name's Amber. Amber Master. If you know Gracie Charlene Master, she is on YouTube. Oh, and I got another talent. I can skate too. Right now. Hey guys. That's my cousin Carson. He's videoing me. And he loves videoing people. This is his first time ever videoing me.
No.
What?
I've been videoing a lot other people.
I'm talking about me.
Okay. Oh.
Well, sorry guys. I didn't do that. Hey, I got socks on. Look at my socks. Monkey. Okay, we need to know is
We're
how
going
to
to be
catch a
YouTube
pop-fly.
famous.
This is how you catch a stop. They're right there. Okay. Okay. This is how pop. That's how you learn how to catch a pop. If you want to learn
And
how
stop
to,
it there.